In this video, we're walking you through how to set up your voicemail, record your greeting, and change your password from your desk phone. It's quick, it's simple, let's get into it. To access your voicemail, tap the voicemail icon on your desk phone or dial 5001. The system will ask you for your password.
Please enter your password followed by the pound key.
If you don't have a PIN yet, please reach out to our support team at support@advancednetworkservices.us, and they will provide you with your default password and assist you right away. Once the password is entered, you'll be inside your voicemail box. If this is your very first time, the system will guide you through a quick setup. First, it'll ask you to record your name.
Please record your name after the tone. Press pound when you are finished.
Emily Davis.
Your name is...
Emily Davis.
Then it'll ask you to record your greeting. This is what callers will hear when they reach your voicemail.
Please record your greeting after the tone. Press pound when you are finished.
Hi, you've reached Emily. I'm not available right now. Please leave a message and I'll return your call as soon as I can. Thank you.
Your greeting is...
Hi, you've reached Emily. I'm not available right now. Please leave a message and I'll return your call as soon as I can. Thank you.
Once you're done, the system takes you to the main menu. This is your home base. Every time you log into your voicemail, this is where you'll start.
Main menu. Press 1 for new messages. Press 2 for old messages. Press 3 to send messages. Press 5 to set your current options. Press 6 to change greetings. Press 7 to recover deleted voicemail.
You'll use this menu for everything. Now let's walk through how to update your greeting and change your password. To update your greeting, from the main menu, press 6. The system will take you to the Greetings menu.
Greetings menu. Press 1 to record greetings. Enter the number of the greeting you wish to record. Start recording after the tone. Press pound when you are finished.
Hi, you've reached Emily from Advanced Hosted Services. Please leave a message and I'll return your call as soon as I can. Thank you.
Greeting recorded. Press 1 to select this recording as your greeting, or 0 to keep your previous greeting selection.
Press 1 to save the new greeting, or 0 to keep the old one. Now let's change your password. From the main menu, press 5, then press 1 to change your password.
Option menu. Press 1 to change your password. Press 2 to record your name. Please enter your new PIN. Please re-enter your new PIN to confirm. PIN changed.
That's it. Your new PIN is active. Just keep in mind that sequential or repeated numbers like 1234 or 0000 are blocked for security reasons. Pick a unique 4-digit PIN you'll remember. And that's your voicemail fully set up and ready to go. If you need your default PIN or run into any issues, just reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching.